There's a lot of downsides to fucking alcohol, isn't
There
there?
is.
So I haven't had an alcoholic drink since I was 19.
Fucking hell.
So that's 46 years ago.
Very impressive.
My missus always said, she used to say, I could start a fight in a phone box on my own.
How true.
I mean, I am a fucking gobby arsehole when I'm fucking stone cold sober. I am an absolute wanker when I've had a fucking drink.
Yeah, funny enough, I used to be gobby when I was drunk. At the time we decided to swim across Weymouth fucking harbour. Absolutely plastered. Sean says, I'm going for a swim. So we strip down to our fucking glunties, jump in the harbour, swim across the other side, caught up in some bloke's fishing line. Ran my wrist. Sean had to come back. He bit it all off so I could fucking get out. Climbed up the railing, or up the ladder the other side. And some very angry fisherman who looked like Frank Butcher come over to me. Effing and jeffing. So I give him some back and he fucking smashed me right in the gob. I fell over one of those, you know, metal mushroom things that they tether off to. Chipped me tooth he did.
Honestly, I'd only have to smell it now to put me on my fucking ass, I think.
Yeah.
I don't even like the smell of it.
Well, I was,
And the silly thing is, when you're taxiing and when you're doing the doors on the pubs and the clubs, people who are pissed just get right up your fucking nose.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean, I was a licensee for a number of years, and you think, the trouble is, you're talking to people, you think, this is pointless, because they're absolutely wasted.
I don't suppose you could really moan at them for being pissed, because you sold it to them.
Well, this is true, this is true.
You were pumping it into them. Well, I have to say, I found this Stegra update a lot better.
It's good, isn't it? Everything's working so far.
I mean, they've done what they said they would.
Yep.
Sorry, Barley Moes, not this time.
Not today.
Oh,
hang on.
you sure?
Hang on.
We can always change our mind. That was a real ding-dong.
That was. So yeah, come May, this will be a definite purchase.
Yeah, definite. Yeah, I wouldn't bat an eyelid at paying for this. I did say on the way up, actually, when I was chatting to myself, it's 60 quid a year, which is £1 and something a week, isn't it?
Yeah.
I would sooner do that and have something reliable that you know isn't going to change the route on you.
Yeah.
That isn't going to freeze. And it's going to stick to the route that you want to go on, not what it thinks is fucking better.
Yeah, and when you're trying to plan
Oh,
it...
fuck off. You got a BMW. What kind of fucking BMW tosser are you? Fuck's sake.
Yeah, and it's easier to plan a route on in the first instance.
Yeah,
it's much more
yeah, I think so.
compliant.
And you don't have to put nowhere near the amount of waypoints.
No,
now,
exactly.
planning on my route app, occasionally, and you probably found it as well, you want to go on a route and then it won't let you. You have to put in 2 or 3 waypoints to make it take that route.
Yeah.
This, you want to go that way, it says fine, your fucking choice, we'll go that way. This fucker's getting up my nose. Right, we better have.
A bit of 360 action.
Yeah, you have to press it twice, one to wake it up.
Yeah.
So I reckon the remote goes to sleep.
Yeah. He's saying to his missus, look, I'm going to piss these cunts off.
Yeah. My life.
What
Doesn't
if he's
deserve
noticed
to
you
have a
yet?
BMW. Probably not. He got a couple of Chinese lanterns in his rearview mirror. I mean, anyone would think you had to stick the 30 mile an hour through here.
I know. What the fuck's going on?
Thought about it.
I know you did. I just dropped it down one, waiting. The anticipation.
Oh, look at that pothole. Fucking hell.
You come round the corner down. Fucking hell.
Yeah.
That's a killer, that one.
There's nothing up there yet. Tubby's Cafe. Oh, Tubby. Tubby. Right, any loose shit?
Well, you get there and say, sorry, closed today.
Yeah, can't see anything up there yet. So, yeah, it's the Liberator now, not the Aviator. Tell you what, I'm going to fucking straight in here, and then we can just roll back. There's a man size and a charge portion for heat. Lovely. If we could do a red lap, brekkie's that. A brekkie's that.